here already. And I just wanted to update you guys on some stuff. Look at how big my ghost plant is. And I have taken so many cuttings from this one already, many times, and look. She's so pretty. I really like her. Her color is changing again. She was looking a little pink, but not anymore. So yeah, I mean a little bit. Yeah, you can see it in the camera. There you go. You guys can see that. Let's see. This is dragon fruit cactus, I guess. And I just have it there. See if I get any dragon fruit out of it. So this is the one I beheaded. I don't know if I had showed her previously in a video. She was really red, but since she was in the shade while she rooted, she has lightened up. I did like the color that she had, so I put her out here. Here she gets dappled sunlight, so we'll see if she, little by little, I'll move her into the sun and see how she responds to that. Oh, and my panels with the wind yesterday were trying to fly all over the place. I had to reinforce some stuff. So let me update you on my beheaded plants. This is Echeveria subtilis. I finally know the name. I beheaded that one, and look at how many babies I got. Guys, I am really thinking that this is a fast way to multiply your plants. So if you have a big beautiful plant that you wouldn't mind beheading and it has a good stem on it, I would suggest you do it, because look at all those babies. I'm gonna keep showing you more. I'll show you more. So there's that. There's, remember the Echeveria chroma that I was telling you, oh guys, I think I'm gonna toss that because I don't think it's gonna do anything. Look at that. You see that? That blew up out of nowhere. Look at that. And over here, I mean, I have to remove these and put them in their own pot, and so that these have some space to grow. I can't believe I almost threw that out. And I know you guys heard me several times in videos saying, oh, I was about to throw that out, but it's true. So here's the subtilis, the one that belonged to this stem. Here it is. And then now here's the, I don't know what type of ruffle Echeveria it is. I just know it is a ruffle. And it has already a bunch of babies. 1, 2, 3, 4, a lot. So I know that that one is good. And I try to give it a good, I try to cut it and leave a really nice good stem. So if I ever have to behead it again, I still have a lot of stem left over. So that's doing good. So this one is a topsy-turvy baby, and it's gotten so big, but I made the mistake and put it on the other side of the greenhouse, inside the greenhouse, but on the other side. And I guess on that side that I was facing, it had some really strong sun, and I didn't know, and she got a little burnt, but she's gonna recover. She'll do well. She'll recover good. Here's more topsy-turvies. Let's see what else. What else can I show you guys regarding beheading? Oh, okay, over here. Over here, I have these. They're getting big too. You guys remember that? This month is so busy for me. I just can't wait till the month is over and just go into May. Yeah, I'm just doing stuff at church and doing stuff at school. At the girls' school, it's just, you know, really busy. So this is the butterfly, I think, kiss, I believe, that I beheaded, and that one's growing really nicely. And then just these, you know what? I should have never thrown. So I had beheaded these, but I think I threw away the stems. Yep. Because I told myself, oh yeah, they're not going to do anything, but they probably would have. And then this is the one that was connected to this one here. And they are flowering very nice. And then here's my Echeveria mercata. It's got some leaves there. I'm trying not to pull them yet. So yeah, and I wish, oh look, you could see, look at this Debbie. You see her beautiful color? Echeveria Debbie, such a pretty succulent. So is the Newtonberg, but this one lately, I just like looking at her. This one over here suffered a little damage because she had bugs and I had sprayed her, but she's growing out of it. Look, I don't know what happened there. Some drops of water fell on there and then the sun came. I did not see that. I didn't see that until just now. This one's got babies right there. Look at the pretty babies. Eventually, like if I have lots of cuttings, you know, a lot of babies that are growing, I can possibly do like swaps, or maybe even sell some, you know. So maybe I can do that. I'm not sure. Here's my prints, and I don't know if it's stretching or if it's always been that tall. I can't tell. The leaves are gathered, so I know it is getting lots of sun, because when it's not getting enough sun, it opens up flat to try to receive as much sun as possible. So I know that she's getting good sun. Here's this one. This one's doing good too. Everything's looking really good. Oh, this one turned purple on me. It was green with like pink edging, and now it looks purple. So yeah. I still have to pot some plants up. So what I'm noticing with some of these succulents is the skinnier the petals, the thinner they are, the less water they carry in there. They need a little bit more water than the ones that are fatter. That's what I noticed. Here is more of the Succulent. Look at all those. That one's really pretty. I don't know the name of this one. She looked way different when I first bought her. She was short and clumped up together, a double header, and now she's all spread out. She's getting good sun there, but I don't know if she'll start growing. I guess she is growing more gathered. It looks like a gray green. She looks really gray. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me put that back here. Cactuses, I can't tell if they're doing well. They look fine when you first look at them. I don't know if these wrinkles are normal. I don't know, they're cactus. They're not meant to be watered as often, but I don't know, sometimes they could be tricky, so maybe they want more water. Gotta be careful. So like, yeah, the jelly beans, way less water than the other succulents. These two definitely, because they're super fat. I haven't had any issues because I'm not watering it right now. I'm just leaving it alone until I see maybe I'm looking for signs of thirst. A little bit of thirst, and then I'll water. Is that a rock? Okay. And these up here. This arrangement is doing very well. No issues there. That one's doing really well too. Needs more rock. This one, some leaves drying out is normal. Just drying out at the bottom. As long as it's at the bottom, it's normal. But when they're like, here I have one here. I just don't get it. I am not watering this thing. And it's, see, let me see, look at that. See? So, supposedly this, when it gets like that, that means overwatered. And I have not watered that. I mean, you can see the other ones are just perfectly fine. I believe this is another Espera Debbie. So pretty. So yeah, I don't know why it's doing that. Now it doesn't even look as good. It's missing a lot of leaves. Anyways, guys, and then a bunch of babies just down here. Propagation. Here it is. It doesn't want to focus? There it is. Like that. I don't know the name of that one. Anyways, guys, so that's pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And thank you for those that are commenting and having conversation with me. I really like it. So thank you so much, guys. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.